Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought a special recipe, crispy veg fried balls. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, everyone likes this recipe so much. You can try this recipe at your kitchen in less time with less ingredients. You can make this recipe for afternoon snacks, also your kids' tiffin. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and friends. So, let's go. For making this tasty recipe, first I take bottle gourd. I cut it into small pieces and remove the skin from this. After that I washed it. Then I take boiled potato. Then I take breadcrumbs. After that I take pea flour. Then I take curry leaves. Then I take ginger and green chili paste. After that I take homemade jeera masala and homemade special garam masala. I give the both masala link in the description below. Then I take nut paste. After that I take white cumin. Then I take salt according to your taste and turmeric powder. Now I grate this bottle gourd with a grater. I take one piece and show you how to grate it. You have to grate like this. You can see I grate our first bottle gourd very nicely. You can see you have to grate like this. Now I grate rest of the bottle gourd. You can see I grate all the bottle gourd very nicely. Now I will boil it. For boil it, I take a pot and give the grated bottle gourd into it. I gave all the bottle gourd. Now I give little water into it. After that I give some salt into it. Now I will cover it and boil it for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes we will remove the cover and see it is fully boiled or not. You can see it is fully boiled. Now I will put this on a basket and rinse all the water from it. You can see I put it down on a basket and rinse the water from it. Now I will put it down on a net and rinse the rest of the water. For this I put this on a net and pressure it to rinse all the water like this. You can see it. You have to rest it for 10 minutes. Now I will make the pea flour batter. For this I give the pea flour on a bowl. Then I give the salt and turmeric powder. Now I mix this with the pea flour very nicely. After mixing it, I will give little water into it and make a smooth batter. Don't give all the water at a time. You have to give the water like this, little. If you give the water like this, there will be no lumps on this batter. Now I mix this batter very nicely without giving any water. You can see I mix the batter very nicely. Now I give little more water for adjust the thickness of this batter. You can see the thickness of this batter. Remember, when you mix this batter, don't give all the water at a time. You have to mix it and give the water little like this. Now I smash this boiled potato. For this I give the boiled potato on a bowl and smash it with a glass like this. You can see it. You can see I smash all the potato very nicely. After 10 minutes we will remove the net from the bottle gourd. You can see all the water rinsed very nicely. Now I will separate the bottle gourd like this very nicely. Now I will take a kadai and give some oil. After that I will give the white cumin into it. Now I will fry it till it become brown. Now after becoming it golden brown, now I will give the ginger and green chili paste into it. After that I will give the curry leaves into it. Now I will give the salt and turmeric powder into it. Now I will give the smashed boiled potato into it. After that I will mix the potato with this masala very nicely. Now I will fry it for 1 minute more. After frying it 1 minute, I will give the bottle gourd into it. Now I will fry this bottle gourd with the potato for 5 minutes more. Many people don't want to eat bottle gourd. If you made this bottle gourd like this, I guarantee everyone like this bottle gourd very much. I fried the bottle gourd with the potato for 5 minutes very nicely. Now I will give the homemade daruchini masala and homemade jeera masala into it. After giving masala, I will mix the masala with this bottle gourd very nicely. I mixed all the masala with the bottle gourd very nicely. Now I will put it down on a plate. I put down the bottle gourd in a bowl. Now I will give the nut paste into it. After that I will mix the nut paste with the bottle gourd very nicely. You can see I mix the bottle gourd with the nut very nicely. Also you can see it becomes a smooth dough and it binds very nicely.
अभी हम इस डो से थोड़ा थोड़ा लुई लेकर बॉल तैयार कर लेंगे। आप लोगों को हम एक बॉल तैयार करके दिखा रही हूँ। आप लोग देख सकते हैं कैसे करना है।
You have to roll it with your hand like this and made a ball shape. You can see I made my first ball. Now I will made all the balls like this. You can see I made my all the balls very nicely. Now I will take a ball and mix the pea flour mixture with the ball. After mixing it with my hand, now I will cover up this with the breadcrumbs very nicely. You can see how to cover up it. You have to cover the breadcrumbs like this. After covering it, now I will mix the pea flour mixture again with this ball. After mixing it, now I will cover the breadcrumbs with the ball very nicely like before. After covering the breadcrumbs with the ball second times, now I will make this ball with my hand a round shape. You can see I make my first ball. Now I will make all the balls like this. You can see I made all the balls very nicely. Now I will fry this ball. Now I will take a kadai and give the oil into it. After that I will give the ball into it. I give one by one ball into it. Now I give 5 balls and after that I will fry it in medium flame. Remember, when you fried the balls, you have to flip the balls again and again like this. You can see it. I flip the balls again and again with the spatula. You can see it. You can see our one side fried very nicely. Now I will make the flame low and fry it for 1 minute for make it crispy. You can see our all balls fried very nicely. Now I will put it down one by one and you can see it looks very crispy. After that I will fry rest of the balls. So friends, our today's recipe crispy veg fried balls is ready to serve. You can see it looks delicious. Also you can hear the crispy sound of the balls very nicely. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also subscribe my channel. So see you in next video for another interesting tasty recipe.